Good afternoon to everyone who is watching this mini vlog. Today is Mother's Day. It's a very special day for me, and I would like to wish mamas of all living beings a very happy Mother's Day. I'm gonna make oil-free mushroom today for my family. So I thought, why not share the process and making of this healthy food. So as you see, I put chopped onions into the preheated pan and there was no oil at all. Just let it cook until brown. You don't need to get stressed of burning the onions because while it gets heated, onion release its own water. So until it becomes brown, it will be perfectly fine. Once the onion water gets dried and the onion becomes brown, we have to put the basic spices, and here I'm going to put some lemon juice, re-moisture the onions to avoid the burning of spices. Some turmeric powder and dhania powder. You can also call coriander powder. Maybe some pepper at the end, but not much spices, just basic. More fires to happily welcome the tomato. Here, once you see the spices are good aligned with the onions, then you can put tomato. So by this time you can see that there is a need for some moisture in the pan. I put some lemon juice again. I can smell the spices. Oh, this is so delicious, Now at this stage I'm going to put mushroom. See, these are light brown mushroom I bought from Aldi. Now it takes some more minutes until it gets fully cooked. Here you begin to see that mushroom release its own moistures. You can see it's shining. And now I put some salt. When it comes to the amount of salt that you put in, be careful, don't get carried away by the volume and the looks of the mushroom at this stage, because at the end when it is fully cooked, it shrinks down and you can see the volumes will be definitely less. Me and my friend circles call this dish name as up to aise nathi, that is in Hindi language, which means you were not like this dish. Friend, please tell me, doesn't it look beautiful? Now let it cook for a few minutes. So it's 2 minutes past. I'm going to check this. Ta-da-da. Look guys, now I can see that the mushrooms are 95% cooked. So I'm going to put some spring onions. And lots of petersil and coriander leaves. I'm sweating. So delicious. It's like rubber. When I say something like rubber, it sounds not so delicious, but it's really delicious. It's so chewy, you know. At every bite, you know, you get the feeling of like more and more juice from the mushrooms, and it's the taste. It's so simple dish, but it's delicious and it's very, very healthy. One minute, and then I'm going to show you the last look of my mushroom dinner tonight. So this is the final look of my tonight's dinner mushroom, the oilless mushroom. This is for my son: potato puree, a fine sliced deep fried chicken, plus a pair of sliced meat with chapati and fruit and salads. And this is for Eden. She don't like chicken, so I gave her more deep fried sliced meat with potato puree. My dear friend, every minute passed by will not come back. Oh, spending it with a happy heart is the best way to live. And the main source of real happiness is from your heart. If you feel happiness, satisfaction, contentment from whatever you have, then you don't yearn or you don't greed for any other things that you can't have right at that moment. I cooked these dishes with love, respect and pleasure, and I'm feeling so proud, you know. And one more thing to add, the result was so good. It's so yummy. My family loved it and me too. Thank you very much for watching this short vlog. This is first time I'm making such type of vlog. Guys, what do you think? What's your opinion? If I ask, would you encourage me to make a vlog like this in the future? Please let me know your opinion, and don't forget to comment. Take care of yourself, and bye bye.